Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, we are doing this smoky brown eye. I hope you guys enjoy it. I actually really like it. I started out not really knowing what I wanted to do, and I turned out to be absolutely in love with it. So I hope you guys enjoy as well, and let's get started. If only you guys could see my current situation that I'm sitting in. But anyway, okay, so we are going to start off our makeup look today. Fiona Styles Radiant Aqua Eye Veil in Arrow. Looks like this. It is just a cream eyeshadow in this in this really dark brown. It looks like I've never used this, but I actually use this all the time. I've only ever used the product that was on the lid. So you don't need a lot of this. This stuff, it goes a long way. Long way. So I'm just going in with a flat brush like this. This is a really old brush set that I think my mom got from Costco, like, not even joking, probably 10 years ago. So just like any flat brush like this will do the trick. So I'm like literally still using the product on the lid. I'm not getting very much at all. Just like dabbing it on there. And we are just going to put this onto the lower part of the lid. Okay, and it doesn't really matter how beautiful you have that because we're going to blend everything out in a little bit. So now I'm going to come in with the Morphe E17. It's just like a longer pencil brush looking situation. And we're going to come in with the Lorac Pro palette. This is the OG. And we are going to come in with the color Sable, which is right here. This palette is so old. Like it's been around forever. And we are just going to try to blend out that line. Okay, then if you have a little bit of fallout, just come in and brush that away. Okay, now we are going to come in with a little bit bigger blending brush. This is the Morphe R37 brush, and we are going to come in with the two colors mixed together. We're going to come in with Mauve and Taupe. Taupe was like my first real transition shade that I ever used. Next, we're going to come in with the shade Pewter, which is right here. It's just a really nice shimmery brown shade. And we are going to come in with that on a flat brush, like this one, the Morphe E32 brush. And we are just going to really pack on the color on the side of it. Going to come in with that big blending brush and blend out the edges. I come in with a flat definer brush and the color Espresso, which is right here, this really dark brown shade. And we are just going to put it on the lower lash line right by the eyelashes, and it doesn't have to be pretty or perfect. I mean, don't like get it all over your eyelid, but it doesn't need it to be perfect at all whatsoever. Now we're going to come in with a pencil brush, and we are going to mix those two shades again, mauve and taupe, together. And blend this out. Okay, now I am going to line my eyelid. What? Now I'm going to line my eyes. I'm using the NYX eyeliner. It's got a really long name, so it just looks like this. It's like the slide on, glide on, but definitely not a turn on eyeliner. Like really. And I'm just going to line my water lines. Now I'm going to throw on some mascara and eyelashes. The mascara that I'm using is the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash, and the eyelashes that I'm going to be using are the Ardell Studio Effects in Wispy. So they're like the regular Wispies, but they have just like an extra layer of oomph, if you know what I'm saying. And then the glue that I will be, or the eyelash glue, I'm not using Elmer's, but the eyelash glue that I'll be using is House of Lashes, the dark black color. And I'll be right back. Next, we are going to come in with eye highlight. Does that even make sense? Anyway, we're going to come with a Lorac Pro palette again, and we are going to come in with the shade Nude, and we are going to use that for our brow bone using the Morphe M213. Just place that right underneath the brow bone. For an inner corner highlight, we are going to mix Nude and Champagne. Okay, then lastly, we are going to come in with lips. I'm going to come in with the Morphe liquid lipstick in the color Virgin. And then I'm going to line my lips with the NYX lip liner in either pale pink or natural. I haven't completely decided what I'm going to do yet. Okay, so I'm going to start off with pale pink and see where that goes. Okay, so I decided to stick with the pale pink lip liner. Then the very last step is spraying some all-nighter setting spray from Urban Decay. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Leave comments down below on different looks that you guys want to see. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!